Hey guys, today I'll put you through the MonoProof integration guide. This guide contains all of the necessary steps to take when trying to integrate MonoProof into your software solution via API. At the end of this guide, I'll show you how to get your prerequisite sets and also how to generate the Mono URL, which will be sent to users to complete the process. I would also show you how to use the URL, how to implement the details, and how to complete the verification. First thing, prerequisites. To get started, you'll generally need a Mono secret key and a webhook URL. In order to do that, we need to follow these steps. First, we need to sign up on the Mono dashboard and complete KYC. So the KYC will contain basic business documents, and also you need to show some licenses. Next, we need to create an app. To create an app, we have this guide that puts you through the process. Key things to ensure: you need to set the product scope to proof, and after doing this, you need to get your Mono secret key, which would be passed in your headers as Mono sec key. This is very important. Next, we need to configure a webhook URL and also add it to the dashboard. This is also very important because MonoProof sends webhook events for actions performed while integrating. In order to use the sandbox environment, all we need to do is to go into our dashboard and then set our environment to test mode. After doing this, we would get our test secret key and also get a test webhook secret key. This is very important as it allows us to switch between environments and test appropriately. So now, our integration. The integration contains 3 basic steps. First, we initiate a proof session. Next, the user session access setup, which has 2 ways. And the next one is the actual identity verification. For our initiate proof section, we need to make an API call to this endpoint, passing all of the relevant details and very key important request parameters. After this is done, we would get a request response that looks like this. This is very important as it contains the Mono URL, which we're going to be using for this guide. Now, the next step is the user session access setup. When you're trying to integrate using the SDK, we'll need to get the ID. But when we're trying to integrate using the Mono URL, all we need is to just redirect the user to the Mono URL. When they open this link in their browser, they're able to complete step 3, which is the identity verification process. In step 3, they'll be asked to confirm details they want to share with your business and also grant permission. And that's it. For each of these steps, Mono sends webhooks. Firstly, the webhook for verification initiated. This is triggered when the initiate session is successfully created. Next, the verification successful webhook, which is triggered when the customer data is verified and successfully shared with your business. Next, we have the verification cancelled webhook, which is shared with your business, which is sent to your business when the webhook is triggered, when the customer cancels their data verification. Next, we have the verification expired webhook, which is sent when the link which was sent to your customer has expired and they did not actually use the link. So these are the primary webhooks that are sent to your business and you need to handle appropriately.